The 24th of July, it's almost 5 p.m. We're just going to do a daily analysis. Firstly, on news coming up today, we've had news that's just broken for the euro. We haven't been really trading euro, so at the moment none of this really means anything for me. But this here, we've got the British pound news coming out at 6 p.m, so in an hour, and then on top of that, USD news coming out at 11:15 p.m. So to be honest, we'll probably be trading this, and probably that's a bit too late for me. So this is going to be what we're going to be focusing on the pound. So if we take a look at the daily analysis of the British pound, we can see that we are still right in the middle of an uptrend, and at the moment is actually quite significant because we're going to get a significant direction right from this area of demand. So news that's going to break is either going to push this down, or we're going to get a bit of a push to the upside. So that's going to be quite interesting to see how that plays out. If we do go back to this news, just to have a look at what has happened in the past, we've had quite a lot that has been below forecast, and a bit of a mixed bag here as well, but lately it has been negative. So I guess if that trend continues, we'll probably get more of a push to the downside. The only thing that's kind of against that, which is kind of making me second guess, is using this new setup that Benny has provided. We can kind of see that the ribbon has kind of flipped, and it does seem as though we're getting a bit of a rounding action and possible push to the upside, where we're going to fill that area back up to here. So if we go back to the 1 hour, we can see that overall we are in an uptrend, and so it should be safe to buy overall. So yeah, daily uptrend, 4 hour uptrend, 1 hour, as we know, is a significant downtrend, and as we get closer, it's still a downtrend, but we are looking at, this is quite interesting. Technically, it's a good time to sell, and get this return down here. But in saying that, we've got news in an hour. We could get stuck, and we might have to get out at a bad position. So I'm not really too keen on getting in right now. I really want to see how this news plays out. Going in closer to the 1 minute, we can see we're quite high. So yeah, I guess it's a whole lot of wait and see. But yeah, there is potential for it to go either way. If we go to the 1 hour, it's probably better to look on MT5 at the moment. So if it's positive and it shoots to the upside, I think we can easily, have a trade that gets us all the way up to this zone here. I don't know, for whatever reason it's not letting me grab this. There we go. Up into this zone, that's an easy grab. That's a full, what's that, 20 cents or something like that. And if it's to the downside, we can see this is the next level, so to speak, down here, and has potential to break here. But what I wanted to show is kind of this trend line just here on the 1 hour. It's perfectly rode this, and you can kind of see the start of that to go back to the upside. But this news is what's going to determine what area and what location we go to. So it's a whole lot of wait and see, which I've already said. That's going to be me and we'll check back in later on, probably tomorrow morning. But yeah, have a good one. Thanks.